Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. I have a haul for you that I am going to be using on a layout this week. So I wanted to get the haul up first and then I was going to show you how I use this. So I decided to order 2 new collections and I got all of it for the most part, or at least what a cherry on top got. So I did the Head in the Clouds by Shimelle and then the new Dear Lizzy collection. So let's start with the Shimelle collection. So she did an awesome little thing for a sticker book, and this is so cute. It reminds me of back when I was growing up, when we would get stickers like this, like a sticker book, not maybe per se like the stickers inside of it, but the sticker book. And I think they're just simply gorgeous. And I absolutely love what she has done with this collection. And the photo, the very first photo I'm going to use with this collection is my photo of me in the hotel room with Heather. She took this because I got my daughter the unicorn headband and I put it on and took one and, you know, was acting kind of, I guess, like a kid. So that's the photo I'm going to scrap. I'm not going to take these out, but these are also the die cuts. Sorry about that. My daughter's in here. And they're the die cuts. And they're simply stunning. Look how cute those are. And then the hearts. And they're puffy. And then she did this collection again, which I absolutely love. I love when she does these. And I decided to get the dual pen pens that she has. One side is like a brush tip, and then the other side is a pin, is the fine tip. So those are the colors. And they match well. I'm excited to use these. And then her alphabet stickers, which is called Fairy Tale. And I really like these. They're not very thick, and I can tell that this is her handwriting, and they're really thin. And they give some numbers as well. And they have stickers. Look at that. I love that one, and it's got some rose gold. And I like the fact that this is rose gold and not gold. Look at that unicorn. Look how cute. Is it? Is that your favorite, KJ? Mm-hmm. Okay.
And I like that unicorn.
And you like that unicorn? Okay. Okay, now, here comes the paper pads. So this is, I have them backwards. So I forgot. Okay, so I didn't put these in the right order, but these are backwards. So this is the last paper, and then it goes to the bottom. And then there's hearts.
I like the hearts.
You do? Okay.
And
there's the clouds.
Like the clouds.
Yeah, and look at all those cameras. They're so gorgeous. I love them. And then there's this one with the stars, and this is like an ombre effect.
I like the stars.
You do?
And I also like these.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I like how she woos the stars around on there like a constellation.
I like that.
And here are the flowers. And paper. Here are the frogs. And then another one like paper. Here's some cut aparts. And then my favorite is this back one with the books. That is like total me. You like that one? There's the unicorns. Look at all those fun unicorns. And then I love the butterflies. Teacups. And then it's just a pink polka dot.
And
oh, yep, there's unicorns down there too. And these are 12 by 12s that you could cut out. I love this mermaid style. Okay, here are some more cameras that are colored. And then this other paper that's got all the stars. There's the constellations. Yeah. And there is the ombre of lines. It's kind of like it's more of a different color. She changes them up. And mermaids. And then I love this side here. And then here are some flowers and the polka dots. And some more cut aparts that you could do along with butterflies. And this is like a pink type butterfly. I know you can't see it on the video as well, but it is pink. And here's some butterflies with some more roses. And then I like this side. It's like an adventure. And then there are some dragonflies and butterflies with some roses. And then just lines. There's some more flowers. And then these are lines. Now these lines go down and it's like a red color. Here is some more butterflies. By the way, I got the whole collection for this. So sit back, go grab some coffee or wine or something that you're drinking. And sit back and watch. Here are the dragons. And this pit photo here, I cannot wait to scrapbook this because this reminds me of when we went to Rapunzel in Germany, the Rapunzel castle, and I still have photos of my daughter being at the Rapunzel castle. So before I get to the very last, I went through all of the paper pads. Shimelle did a chipboard collection like she always does, but she did it in a 12 by 12. I didn't even realize this, but I absolutely love this. I love these. They're just stunning. Is that all you like? Okay. She was showing you everything she liked. So that is the Shimelle collection.
I like it.
You do like it?
Oh, I forgot to show them.
Okay, so now I am going to go through the Dear Lizzy collection. Now, I have heard that, and just through everything, that people don't really enjoy this one, and I absolutely love it. It is so boho, it's just stunning. So I did get the 6x6 paper pad. I'm not going to open it up, but it's the gold foiling, and because I'm going to go through the 12 by 12. Okay, so there's kind of what it looks like there. Now, I did get the die cuts. And look how cute he is. And that one. There. See? And the llamas. So cute. Yep. And the puffy stickers. Alright, and then there are the puffy stickers. And the chipboards, and this time, I thought they didn't package it correctly because she didn't have a backside, but there's 30 pieces, so here's the chipboard. It's kind of weird for her not to have two sides of chipboard, but here are the chipboards. Look at that piggy. Pig. And then here are the stickers, the accent ones. There's that. And then there's the butterflies. All of that stuff. This says follow your heart. And they're gold accents, so that's awesome. All right, now the papers. Oops, I forgot to. Okay, so we'll start this way. So there is paper number 1. And I get 36 sheets. So there's going to be 2 sets. And this one doesn't have the gold foiling, but it's just there. And then that one. And this one's the cut aparts. And lines. Cute feathers. And these have the gold foiling, as you can tell. If you can tell in the video. Yep, you can. The peace signs and the hey and the okay. And then there is some teal colored ones. And this has got some simple gold foiling to it. It's the little lines. And then some more cut aparts. And some moons and suns. And then the arrows, it's got gold foiling on the gold arrows, obviously. And there's a green color.
Okay.
And then there is the flowers.
I like the flowers.
And there is some hearts with some gold foiling on the hearts, just a little bit. I'm trying to, there we go. Now I'm trying to get it so it shows. And then some cut aparts. Here's some triangles. Now these have the little, there we go, is cacti, and then it starts all over again. So those are the two collections that I have got. I am going to definitely be doing a ton of work with this one because I have tons of photos that I want to be able to use this for. I have my Italy photos that I want to scrapbook, and I've got my Greece photos that I want to scrapbook, and I would really like to use both of these collections on it. So stay tuned. I will have a video for this up this week using the new Shimelle collection. And I hope that you like this little bit of a haul, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!